Doon sa video na nakuha nung Associated Press na pinapakita yung IS operatives with Isnilon Hapilon na pinaplano how to take over Marawi. Is that enough basis kaya kayo pumayag? Nakita nyo na yun, ma'am, doon sa briefing kasama yung security officials? Pinakita po ba nila yon?
Meron kami mga nakita na mga pictures na gano'n. Pero clearly kasi, this is the first time I think that there is rebellion, di ba, na ganun katagal in a place na they were able to take over nga a government facility. At saka they were basically able to paralyze the city. So, it's clearly warranted, at least, because, you know, parang the state has a right to defend itself, di ba? And to assure the safety of its citizens. If that is the main goal of this temporary martial law. You say temporary kasi 60 days. So okay, let's assure the safety of our civilian brothers in Marawi.
Mas malaki ba siyang reason para sabihin na may malawakan talagang plano ng rebellion at pag-take over sa Mindanao?
Yeah, of course, it confirms our suspicion that there's a connection between the international terrorist groups and the ones that are here. Diba sabi nga nila, meron silang mga nakitang foreigners na galing sa Yemen, galing sa Chechnya, diba, nasama doon. So, may mga ano nga, tapos diba sabi nga ng Indonesian foreign na defense minister, meron daw ditong mga ISIS operatives. Ang pinagtatanong lang natin, bakit lumabas muna sa media? Hindi ba dapat merong reciprocity pagdating sa mga security briefings na ganyan that will assure the safety of the region? So maybe we should go back to those protocols. But I think there is a summit now, or a meeting in Singapore with all the defense secretaries, and they've expressed concern about what's happening in Marawi, because with some of these terrorists being driven out of the Middle East, they're trying to establish their hold on certain places outside of the Middle East. And one of them nga is in Mindanao, in Marawi, and maybe in other places also in Malaysia or wherever, or Indonesia, where they can have a stronghold. So the government definitely needs to assure that they will not take over. Well, that's a no-brainer. But we should also cooperate with our other ASEAN neighbors to share intelligence.